Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Sharedocview, a tool that claims to share secure links to cloud documents with your email, list, followers, and web visitors. Sharedocview is a document sharing platform that helps you capture leads with your content using secure sharing, up-to-date analytics, and landing pages. It's pretty simple. It's an alternative to Dropbox, DocSend, and you're gonna use it to share your documents. But it's like you can share your documents fast. It's easily for you or your clients to read your documents and go through it. And also you're gonna get an in-depth analytics for that. The goal of Sharedocview is to be the easiest way to share your document on the internet. And they have branding features as well, which makes easier for you to share your document. And here you can see that the geo limits change, of course, with the number of codes that you buy. If you buy one code, you get 100 docs overall. So you only need to have 100 docs on your account. If you need more, you need to buy more codes. You can delete your documents. So if you achieve 100 documents on your account, you can delete one of them and just you have that document spot available. And here is also a limitation of storage, here 5 gigabytes. If you want unlimited document with 50 gigabyte storage, you can get 4 codes for that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how the tool works, and it's pretty simple as well. You can see here that you have the branding feature where you can upload a watermark that will show on the file. I'm gonna upload one here so you can take a look. So here's a watermark. They're gonna show like that on your file. You can upload your branding to show on your page, and also a custom logo URL. So when someone click on your link to go to your website, and you can change also the heading bar color, okay, on the paid plans, of course. Here, everything happens here on the contents where you can add a document, but you can also add a document on the dashboard. So it's a one-click button tool, and you can see here there are some analytics where you can see the number of people who viewed your documents and how long they stayed there reading it. So the thing is pretty simple. You can upload PDF, doc, PowerPoint, and some other document files. First, I'm gonna upload a PDF. So just upload it. You can change the name, you can change the title, you can add a tagline for it, a subtitle, and a description for your document, and then you upload the file. So who will be your audience? For instance, you can add the name of your company here. And here are the features. You can allow the download of the file or not. You can set a password, and then only someone who have the password can download the documents, and you can only authorize the download for some users. So only some users would be able to download the documents. You can also require someone to add the email to view the document, so it could work as a lead generation, and they can also verify, would need to verify the email to see the documents, okay? Also, you can only require email to download. So you can see the documents, and you only need to add the email to download. You can here enable the watermark or disable, and that's it. And what the actions do you have? You can generate a QR code that you can use, and if people use the QR code, they go directly to your document. You can embed the document on your website using the iframe, and you can also share the link. So you click here, and I'm going to show you what happens when you share the link. So here's the dashboard. You can see here that's showing up my watermark. Not so good to read with the watermark, but you can see here. Okay, and you can read the document here. It's pretty simple and pretty fast to load. Okay, and clicking here, you can download the document. You can download it, but if someone outside the account try to download it, they will need to add their email, because in that case, it was the options that I added. You have a report. I can see it because I don't have a professional paid account, but you have a report where you can see your leads, your new contacts because of the document. You can see how long people saw your document, the number of views, etc. You can also add doc files. I'm going to show you in PowerPoint. So you can see here my new document. Here is a Word file. Okay, so you can see how it works on Sharedocview. Remember that here you can add your logo, you can change the color, you can fully customize it to your brand. And now let's see if we can try for PowerPoint. So here's the PowerPoint. Let's see how it shows up on Sharedocview. You can see the tool is pretty fast. Here's the PowerPoint. I think it's pretty cool to see it. Here you can go to the full screen, okay? And you can zoom in or zoom out to read. It's pretty easy to read using it. You know, it's fast. So here's a PowerPoint example. That is my Sharedocview review. I hope you like that. So you use that to share documents and get leads and, you know, also embed the documents on your website, etc. I like it. If you need a tool like that, it's a good choice as well. They have tons of good reviews on AppSumo. Remember, if you like that review, it supports me for free. Just click on the link below. It helps me a lot. Thank you so much.